In this video, I am going to talk about list. If you remember in the last class, we have talked about array, where we can store element of same data type. But what happens when we have to store multiple data types of element? In that case, list comes into the picture. So list can store the values of different data type, like it can hold integer, string, boolean, and anything. Now, if you want to represent a list, it will be represented using a square bracket. So let us say square bracket. In square bracket, you have to pass the element like 10, 20, Tesla, true. So here you can see I am passing here integer also, string also, and boolean also. Now remember one thing, list can also take duplicate values. So if I write 10 again, it will also take that. Now let me just print this out. So this is how you declare a list. The variable name equal to, then your square bracket, then all your elements. Now let us say I want to slice some element, like I want only 10 and 20. So what I can do, I can write like this, 0 to 2. Why 2? Because it is n minus 1. So it will extract the 10 and 20 from the element. Similarly, if you write minus 1, it will fetch the last element, which is 10. List can also perform various operations, like you can access the item, you can update the item, you can append some item into it, and you can remove or sort some item. So let us try to update some item. So let us say instead of Tesla, I want Honda. So what I can do, I can write like this. Items, the index position is 0, 1, 2. So just specify 2 here, and instead of Tesla, here you can write Honda. Now you can see your list has become updated. Now if you want to append any element, like let us say I want to append any element, you can do like this. Items dot append, let us say Roger. So it will append into the list at the last position. Now if you want to append the element at the first position, you can use insert keyword. So I can write items dot insert, then the position that I want to append, insert. So 0th, then your value. So let us say I want this to be appended, Mickey. So you can see it is inserted at first position. Now if you want to remove some element, you can use pop keyword. So you can just write items dot pop. So it will delete the element, delete the last element. Similarly, if you want to delete any particular element, you can use something called as remove. So items dot remove, and here pass the element that you want to remove. Next, if you want to sort the element, you can use. So what you have to do, just use sorted keyword in order to sorting. So items dot just write sorted items. So basically what it will do, it will sort the items. So currently it is throwing me an error because in our list it contains integer as well as string. So let me pass only integer only. So items 10, 20, 30, 40. Now you can see it is sorted. If you pass string here also, then it will throw you an error. Similarly, I want to reverse this thing. What I can do, I can write like this. Sorted items, comma, reverse is equals to true. So you can see it is reversing the elements. So this is all about the list.